Hello, my name is Tony Fauci, and I'm the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases at the National Institutes of Health and a member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force. I have a message directed specifically at college students. One of the things that we need to appreciate is that we are all in this issue together. And as college students, being young, mostly healthy, you are an individual that if you get infected, which we hope you do not, that in fact it is likely, statistically, that you're really not going to have serious symptomatology because the rate of hospitalizations among young individuals is much less than the elderly. But some of you may have underlying conditions, and that's the reason why you have to be careful about getting infected. And here is the reason why. If you get infected, even if you have no symptoms at all, you will be innocently and inadvertently propagating the outbreak. And what do I mean by propagating the outbreak? That means that you might, if you do not follow the guidelines that we've said so often about how to avoid infection, and say to yourself, you know, it really doesn't matter, I'm young, I'm healthy, that you may be in a situation that you could then, I say innocently because we know no one wants to do anything bad deliberately to anyone, infecting someone who then infects someone who then has a serious complication. So here are the things you need to do. First of all, make sure that when you're in a situation where you don't know the status of an individual, which is mostly what we don't know, wear a mask, avoid crowds, keep your distance, wash your hands. Those are the kind of things that we want to do. Also, if you get symptoms, you need to report that. Go to your health official in the college, and hopefully we'll have a situation that you could get tested right away and determine if in fact you're positive. If you are, we would hope that you'd be able to be isolated from the rest of the student body so that you don't spread it. You should, if possible, not go home. And the reason we say that is that we want to make sure that even if in fact you feel good, you may again, and I use those words, inadvertently and innocently infect other people. So try to protect yourself, do the things we talk about all the time, stay safe, and again, if in fact you do get symptoms or feel that you have been in contact with someone who knows to be infected, report that to the health authorities of your college. So be well and stay safe.